Hello everyone, so welcome oh, to another video in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna answer to some of your questions that I wrote them in this notebook. I'm really tired because I've climbed for about 15 kilometers to reach to this lovely mountain. It's a mountain, it's a jungle. I actually uh, collect, you say, American people, I don't know, collect some fruits from trees that they were blueberries and passion fruits. I really was just excited. So, oh my lord, what's going on in there? So, let's answer to your questions. The first questions, look at guys, I actually didn't, no one asked these questions, that I just wrote them for you. But for example, some people just wrote them for me. For example, because my subscribers and my followers on YouTube are not very a lot, they are just 12 subscribers I have right now in today, but I just answered them. So watch this. The first question is, what is your name? Actually, I didn't want to answer this question because my name, it's Arabic. I'm not Arab, guys, but my name is just Arabic and it's long. It's Abul Fazl, okay? But I just wrote Mike on my YouTube. That's because I like this name. I like Mike, but I like my real name too. Yeah. The second question is, how old are you? I am 17 years old. I was born in 2008, 3 January of 2008. Yeah, 2008. Yeah. The third question is, where are you from? I actually didn't want to answer this question too, because this channel I wanted to be English uh, because of what? Because my English is good, maybe, and I didn't want our country's people know my channel. I actually thought my friend and my family would tease me if I just speak in my language. But I will tell you where am I. Where am I from? I am from Iran. Yeah, I am from Iran, and I live in Tehran, the capital city of Iran. But I'm studying to immigrate to what is this? I'm studying for immigrating to US or Germany. I'm studying English and Germany too, the German language. The next question is, what is your height? My height is 173 centimeters. Yeah. What is your phone model? I actually wrote this by myself. What is your phone model? My phone model is Samsung A13 model, but I'm actually gonna change it very soon. If you subscribe and if I just be a little better from financial from YouTube. Why your hair is like this? Yeah, I actually uh, got this question from my friends and from who live with me. For example, my neighbors and some people that I met them in English Institute or Germany Institute. That they say why your hair is like this and why your hair, for example, is not your like your same age people, like teenagers. It has one reason. It's because of my ear. One of my ear when I was born actually was little, and one of my ear is okay. And because of that, my mother decided to cut my hair like this, that no one just teased me or make fun of me. But when I'm just be a little better from the financial problems, I'm gonna surgery my ear. How long are you exercising? Actually, I wrote this too by myself. How long? I'm actually exercising for almost 9 months. 9 months, yeah. The next one is, what is your major? Sport major and your studies major. My sport major is bodybuilding. I actually like that sport and major. And my studies major is science. Science in my school. And the next question is about my grade school. That how what is my grade school? I'm 11 grade school. This year I'm gonna enter 12th grade school. The last year in my high school. What is your father's job? My father's job is shoes making. I don't know. Am I telling this correct in English? I'm not sure, but he makes shoes. He has a small factory and yeah, small company factory. I don't know. Yeah, small factory that he got some workers that work for my father, and he's a shoes maker. Yeah, these were the questions that you guys asked me. For example, yeah, but I just answered them, all of them. Yeah, and right now I'm gonna eat some food because here's food are very expensive. If I just tell them in a US dollar, it would be like these foods are the cheapest. For example, the last time that I just were here and actually I uploaded the in my YouTube channel. I just ate one omelette. It was about $2. No, it was about $3. Yeah, the $3 in Iran is a lot for just an omelette. You can, for example, make an omelette by yourself. For example, with just how much? Uh, no, 40 cents. Yeah, 50 cents. With half of $1, you can make that. It's really cheap. I'm I came with what is this? This is a mug with boiled water. I have coffee and I'm gonna make a yummy coffee without any, I don't know, expending too much money in cafes for what? For nothing. American people, in my opinion, should travel to Iran. With just $1, you can eat wait, you can eat 4 ice creams with $1. What the hell? Hot water. I get Bookstein Cafe that they are too. The water is a lot, so we pour a little of this. Guys, have you ever attention to me that when oh when, for example, am I recording some videos, I'm like, I change my accent to British. I think, for example, I'm very gangster just by speaking, you know, British. I'm really happy, guys. I'm really happy. I'm totally a happy person, really. I always tell to myself at Abulfas that Mike, you are one of those happy persons. We just stare it because I'm with a spoon. Yeah, I came with a spoon. I have a spoon. We just stir it. I know it's a little bit messy. Oh, I'm gonna eat food with this, guys. Ouch. But I'm not gonna drink this because I'm gonna eat food first. This is after. What is my food? What is my food? Very nostalgic. I actually, it's like it seems to be a movie. Really. I actually don't put trash on this lovely mountain and jungle. I'm not gonna. I actually take them into the house and I will put them in the garbage. Yay! Oh, so what I have here. Let's see what is this. This is a campaign of chicken, uh, tomato paste, and salt, pepper, and a little turmeric. Oh, and some onions. And what we have in another side, this is for bread. They are toast. For toast, is better to say. That in house, I just, what do you say? Grill them. Yeah, I just grilled them in a best way on a pan, not in toaster. Oh, how should I just eat this? Like this. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Guys, look at here. It is like a heaven. Really, it's a heaven, and I'm not sure where am I? Where am I going to? But I'm just enjoying. I'm enjoying from the nature that God created for us. I love it.